rugged snowplow that's tough enough to handle the most demanding conditions, turn to the SnowEx Heavy Duty Series snowplow. The SnowEx Heavy Duty Series features a robust 31-inch tall blade that's available in 7.5, 8, 8.5, and 9-foot widths. The plow utilizes durable, high-strength steel components that are both lighter and stronger, so it can take a beating without beating up your truck. The formed base channel is the backbone of the plow, built with high-strength steel in multiple angles for extra stability. 6 vertical ribs and an angled power rib and massive quad design provide additional torsional strength to prevent blade twisting even under the most punishing conditions. SnowEx's high-performance multi-stage powder coat system gives the Heavy Duty Series a long-lasting, maintenance-free finish to keep you looking your professional best year in and year out. A full-trip mold board with 4 coil springs help protect your plow, your truck, and you from the impact of hidden obstacles. A resilient 6-inch steel cutting edge provides long life protection where the blade meets the road and clean scraping action. A tubular steel A-frame and large center pin are built for strength and durability, and robotic welding ensures consistent strength throughout the headgear. With the intuitive handheld controller, you can control the blade at the touch of a button. Advanced hydraulics provide quick maneuvering in the field, while a responsive direct lift system provides efficient stacking and transport. The hydraulics are designed and built in-house, and every unit is wet tested before it leaves the factory. An easy-to-remove poly cover protects critical components from the elements, and the low mounting position allows unobstructed airflow to your truck. SnowEx's revolutionary Automatics attachment system provides fast and easy hookup. From the self-aligning receiver brackets to the power-assisted attachment, you'll be hooked up in no time, all from one side of the truck. And you'll appreciate the exceptional ground clearance from the removable receiver brackets. For rugged, straight blade performance you can count on season after season, the SnowEx Heavy Duty Series, built on your truck.